In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the iMessage waiting for activation issue on your iPhone. This problem, though frustrating, can be resolved with a few straightforward steps, and I'm here to guide you through each one, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, ensuring a stable network connection is key. You need to check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or if mobile data is enabled on your phone. Without a solid connection, iMessage might struggle to activate. Make sure your device is not in airplane mode and that you've turned on cellular data or are within range of a trusted Wi-Fi network. Next up, let's try restarting iMessage itself. Head over to settings, then go to apps and select messages. Here you'll find the option to toggle iMessage off. Once it's off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. This simple action can often reinitiate the activation process. Give it a few moments and see if messages start going through. If that doesn't work, another reliable method is to restart your device. Sometimes minor glitches can be resolved with a simple reboot. Just hold down the power button, slide to power off, and then turn your device back on. After it restarts, check if iMessage is active. Now let's check your date and time settings, as these can sometimes interfere with iMessage activation. Navigate to settings, scroll to general, and select date and time. It's essential that the set automatically option is turned on. This ensures your device is aligned with Apple's servers, minimizing any possible activation discrepancies. If you still find yourself facing issues, resetting your network settings might do the trick. Go to settings, select general, then choose transfer or reset iPhone, followed by reset, and finally reset network settings. Be aware that this will erase your existing Wi-Fi configurations and cellular settings, so remember to re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials afterward. Resetting these can clear out glitches affecting iMessage. Finally, let's ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date. Software updates often include fixes for persistent bugs, so go to settings, tap on general, and head to software update. If an update is available, install it. This can sometimes be the missing link to solving your activation woes. After addressing these potential issues, it's wise to check Apple's system status page online. This page indicates if there are any current problems on Apple's end that could be affecting iMessage. Knowing you're not alone can alleviate some concern if it's an outage issue. And just like that, with these steps you should have your iMessage up and running. If you're still facing issues, consulting Apple support might be the next best step. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps get your messages flowing again.